Good morning, everybody. It is morning here. My name is Debbie. This is the Living Library, where we try to read really good books that not only entertain us but teach us. Today I'm going to be reading a book I have never read before, and it is called Every Autumn Comes the Bear. Look at that bear. So that's what we're going to read today. Every Autumn Comes the Bear. All righty. There is a wooded hill behind a farm. It is a wild and rugged place with as many rocks as trees. Every autumn, after the leaves have fallen, a bear shows up. Let me get closer so we can see that bear. He walks out on the cliff where the ravens perch. He growls into the bobcat's lair. Look at that. The bear follows every trail just to see where each trail leads. He drinks cold water from the spring. Is that, oh, look at that raccoon. He's like, okay, who's out there? And claws a tall, straight tree. The other animals hide from the bear, but he knows they're there. He smells the scent of a fox. He hears a grouse bursting into flight. Oops. When the hill is white with snow, the bear climbs the highest rock. He looks out over the treetops. Then, searching amid the hilltop boulders, he finds a den and he crawls inside. Nestled there against cold rock, with only fat and fur to keep him warm, he sleeps all winter long. And that is the end. We'll see you next time.